Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Many people wonder how to make leafy greens taste amazing, and honestly, it's easier than you might think. These vibrant veggies are nutritional powerhouses, absolutely loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost your energy and keep your body running smoothly. Plus, they're fantastic for your digestion, helping you feel light and energized throughout the day. Getting more greens into your meals is one of the simplest ways to nourish yourself and truly feel your best. Before you even think about cooking, proper preparation is absolutely crucial for great-tasting greens. Start by giving them a really good wash, even if they look clean. You'd be surprised what a quick rinse can remove. Then, make sure to dry them well, either with a salad spinner or a few paper towels, because extra moisture can really dilute the flavor and make them a bit limp. Finally, for greens like kale or collards, just trim away those really tough stems. It makes them much more enjoyable to eat. Sautéing is a fantastic way to bring out the natural sweetness and vibrant color of leafy greens. Simply heat a large pan with a drizzle of your favorite oil, then add some minced garlic or a little chopped onion for a wonderful aromatic base. Toss in your prepped greens, stirring frequently, and watch them quickly wilt down. You only need to cook them for a few minutes until they're tender yet still have a slight bite. That's when they're perfectly done. For a super gentle cooking method that really preserves nutrients and keeps greens beautifully vibrant, try steaming them. All you need is a pot with a little water at the bottom and a steamer basket. Just place your washed greens into the basket, make sure the water is simmering but not touching the greens, and cover it tightly. Steam them for just 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the type, until they are tender and bright green. This method keeps them wonderfully moist and delicate. Once your greens are perfectly cooked, it's time to add those finishing touches that truly elevate their flavor. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice is transformative, instantly brightening everything up and adding a lovely tang. For a little warmth, try a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes. And of course, a good sprinkle of flaky sea salt and a grind of fresh black pepper are essential. Sometimes, a few toasted sesame seeds or almonds can add a wonderful textural crunch, making your greens truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.